맛있다. So delicious.好吃. 아리랑 아리랑 아라리요. 아리랑 고개로 넘어간다. 나를 버리고 가시는 님은 심리도 못 가서 발병이 난다. Hello everyone, welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I show very simple Korean kimchi. How to make, very simple. You know, many my foreign friends are asked me, please make a kimchi, please make a kimchi. So I prepare very simple way. You can buy these ingredients anywhere, even any country. It's very simple. You cannot believe how simple. So this I will introduce these ingredients. This cabbage and sugar and red paprika, salt, radish, green onion, and garlic and onions. Today I'm wearing traditional Korean hanbok. Korean name is hanbok, traditional dress, because I want to introduce you Korean things. So I'm wearing this one, very nice. So even I sing a song, Arirang. You know Arirang. You know Korea traditional folk song Arirang. Do you like it, my song? I'm very shy. You know this hanbok is really, this is traditional. You know this every color, this one they cut and everything this piece by piece did. Korean name 색동 저고리. 저고리 means on the top. This is 치마. Oh, sorry. 치마. 치마 is skirt. So Korea 색동 저고리. Do you know? This is normally small children are wearing this one. Like Korea, this Moon Festival or Spring Festival, we wearing Korean traditional dress. So now this I wearing this one, but comparing this is okay. Do you like this one? Okay. First we prepared this water, and then I put here a little bit salt. Do you know why? Because we will put this cabbage in salty water. This much. And we're cutting this one. This, no. So nice. We make a fork. And we put here salt. Salt. Very beautiful cabbage, eh? We put sprinkle salt every pieces. Just a little. You don't need to put the salt leaves many, because the leaves is thin and the here is thick. So this place have to like that. Yeah. Put a little bit salt, piece by piece. Yes, you know this. It depends. Summertime, wintertime, depend different. How long? Maybe summertime, 1 hour later is okay. Salty enough, then you can wash it. But winter time, you need more time. because of cold. And we waiting about 1 hour, and then after 1 hour, and then you check nicely this piece by piece, checking, and then we wash. After washing, we start to make. After 30 minutes, you look at a little bit salt, and then we have to move this one because of the bottom and put here, bottom, yes, like this. Yes. Now, little bit have a water here because of from cabbage. Our Korean cabbage is very nice. Now we can wash it, this one. We can wash. When you wash it, this, one by one. After washing this, we have to put like this because the water have to out. Okay, let's cut radish. You can find the radish easily in your area. Today I will make a very simple ready. Ready. Now we cut the onion like this. Let's put in the mix. Put a little bit water. Yes. We put here. Now we make this garlic. Ready. Look at. Okay, let's make this radish and we put a paprika, red paprika, garlic, little bit salt, and a little bit sugar. Today this cabbage is very much nicely organized. Yes. Okay, and mix. You can find any place these ingredients. Really simple. How simple kimchi. Very simple. Anywhere, any country can find. Let's put this radish, put in the cabbage, like this. One. Yes, like this. Nice smell. Very nice smell. Very fresh. You know, Korean people, winter time, we make this many. And then this long time, Korean kimchi, long time, no problem. More long time is more nice. If we have a germination and then have a lot of probiotics, very good for us. Korean kimchi is very famous. Like this, like that. Very interesting, huh? Wow. Winter time, we prepare many kimchi, and then we make a kimchi soup with pork, and we make even dumpling. Make many kinds of you can make with kimchi. Also fried rice with kimchi. Many. If some people like fresh kimchi, and this you can eat it. But some people like the germination, and then summertime, one day later, it's nice. But you know, most of Korean people, when they make a kimchi, no like this simple. Some people put anchovy or fish sauce, many spicy things they put. But some people doesn't like a fishy smell. So maybe you can easily buy these ingredients. You can make a kimchi anytime, any place. Do you know what is this? This is when we wash it, this cabbage. From cabbage, this fold out, this one. Now with this, we make here something Korean speaking, 겉절이 we make. We put here. And we mix. 겉절이 is the most delicious thing. So nice. Sesame oil. Normally 겉절이, we put the sesame oil. Okay. And a little bit sesame. And a little bit sugar. And we mix it. Nice smell. Sesame oil, always nice smell. Very nice smell. Ooh, 겉절이 very nice, huh? Like a kimchi, you can make a kimchi salad, same like this. Ooh, so fantastic smell. This is a Korea 겉절이, very nice. Some people like so much fresh kimchi, this one, very nice. So fantastic. Ooh, so nice. Really nice. Very simple, with the very simple material, and then you will taste very delicious Korean kimchi. Ah, so nice, huh? Oh. With this, you make with this make pork, very delicious. Wow, looks so delicious. Wow, really surprised. Very fresh. Ooh, smell is amazing, huh? Okay, 2 kinds of kimchi ready, already ready. Very simple. This is very simple. Very nice smell, fantastic. So nice. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, subscribe, like. Thank you.